Welcome to English Grammar and Writing Skills course of EduPoem EdTech. You're watching the video with Manisha Bedi and the topic for the video is intersections. Okay, so today we are going to learn about intersections. Now, what are intersections? The intersection is simply a part of speech which demonstrates the emotion or feeling. Okay, which basically connects us with emotion or any kind of feeling. Okay, now it is mostly used at the initial, is mostly used in the initial or beginning of the sentence. Okay, so always remember these two things, that intersections are basically used to demonstrate any kind of emotion or feeling, and it is mostly used in the initial or beginning of any sentence, and it is followed by exclamation mark or comma at times, so different times. Okay, so always remember that intersections are basically used to demonstrate any kind of emotion or feeling, and these are mostly used at the initial or beginning of the sentence. Okay, and these are followed by the exclamation mark or comma at different times. Now let's say, for example, if I'm saying that great, you're here. Okay, or wow, that was a wonderful experience. That was a wonderful experience. Okay, if you watch out these two words, you'll understand that they have made use of great, they have made use of wow, which is followed up by the exclamation mark. Okay, so great, wow, this is a kind of emotion or feeling, and these are basically used at the initial of the sentence. Initial, this comes first, followed by exclamation mark or comma at times. Okay, now let's read about some of the uses of this, or some of the rules you can say. The first one is that intersections are not words. Okay, always remember that intersections are not words. Intersections are not words, but they are basic sounds. They are basic sounds standing by themselves. Okay, now always remember that these are not the words, but these are the sounds which we make and they stand by themselves. Okay, like, oh boy, I'm in big trouble. Oh boy, I am in big trouble. It's just a kind of sound. Okay, kind of sound of an emotion or a feeling. Also, there is one more rule. Okay, that is that the intersections do not have any kind of relation, or you can say any kind of connection. Okay, any kind of relation or connection with any word. Okay, like in second case, if I say that, hey, how are you? Okay, so again it's a kind of emotion or a feeling. So always remember that intersections are not words, but they are the basic sounds standing by themselves. And the second one is that they do not have any relation or connection with any kinds of words. Okay, so these are the two examples given here. Let's talk about the second one. The second says that the intersections are often used in addition to words such as nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and some other parts of speech. Okay, like I already talked about one example where I said that, oh boy, I am in big trouble. Again, if you say that oh boy means these intersections, O is an intersection use along with which is followed up by the exclamation mark, but again it makes use of a noun. Okay, as the sentence suggests that intersections are often used in addition to words such as nouns, pronouns, adjectives and some other parts of speech. Okay, so remember this thing. Or oh well, now you're here. Oh well, let's see where does this go. Okay, or anything like that. Means if you watch out these sentences, you will understand. Oh well is again, well is an adjective. Okay, and O is an intersection. So intersection may be used along with the other forms of words, or that those words can be any other forms of the parts of speech. Okay, now let's see another uses. The another user says that most of the intersections that you hear in a speech are not even words. Okay, they are not even words. I already talked about this, that they are not even words, and it is possible to express them in kind of sounds. Okay, to express them in kind of sounds. Let's say for example, I hate this dish. Okay, or if I say that that this tastes delicious. Okay, so feeling of ugh or a feeling of okay, or ugh, where you say that ugh, I hate this. Okay, or this tastes delicious. Now all of these intersections is basically you can pronounce or you can make different sounds while talking about these kinds of intersections. Now let's talk about some another forms of rules related to this. The fourth one says that if intersections are spoken calmly, okay, if intersections is spoken calmly, then in that case, exclamation mark is when you have to use it in a sharp voice, okay, or in a high pitch. In that case you use exclamation mark. Okay, otherwise if intersections has to be spoken calmly, in that case use comma. Okay, in that case use comma, like shh, the baby is sleeping, like shushing people so that the baby is shushing people so as to know them that the baby is sleeping. Okay, so in these cases, whenever you have to talk about any kinds of intersections where you need to need to be spoken calmly, in that case instead of exclamation mark, what you do is you use comma. Okay, baby is sleeping. Okay, so use comma whenever you are talking about, whenever you have to specify anything in very much calmly, in a calm voice. In that case use comma instead of exclamation mark. Now the next rule says that if an intersection is spoken with elevated means increased emotions. Okay, elevated means increased, sorry, elevated emotions, then in that case it is followed by exclamation mark and the next word is capitalized. Okay, so let's say for example, ouch, I just cut my finger. Okay, so in this case, if you see that I have made use of intersections which is followed by exclamation mark, and again the next word after this intersection is capitalized. Okay, so ouch, and again the next word will be capitalized, then comes the another whole part of the sentence. Okay, now let's talk about the last rule. The last rule says that some common intersections are, it's basically, I'm going to give you some of the examples. Other examples are ouch, okay, ouch, or oh, or ouch, or oh, or whoa, okay, oops, hooray, wow, okay, ha, this is okay. So these are the common intersections used around you, okay, or used in the daily lives. In the next video we are going to talk about some of the related questions about intersections.